Okay, so, what is this? Coffee?
Yeah.
You can buy coffee?
If there's no cup fall down,
Do you have to put the cup in?
What?
Do you have to put the cup in?
I don't know. I'm so confused.
What are you trying to get?
Coffee, decaf, Americano,
A French
latte,
vanilla
mocha,
So you have to put
mocha.
one H3. Push one H3. Let's see what happens.
I hope it doesn't start pouring out.
doesn't make any sense. Like,
They're extra desired. I'm so confused.
But you got $1 credit in there already.
Okay.
we'll take my money.
You have $1 in there, Mickey.
But I didn't put that in there and it won't go.
Well, just hit
So you
one.
didn't put $1 in there?
Just hit 1H3. Let's see if it works.
We tried.
Is there an enter button?
No.
Eh. I'm so confused. Alright, forget this game. I don't like that. Oh, cold. Wait, hold on. What's here? Got Pepsi, Aquafina, got Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Dr. Pepper. So cold. I don't know what I want. Did you figure it out?
What would you like to drink?
I would like.
I bet it's ours.
Oh, it's so cold. I don't want anything cold.
Alright, stop it.
Yeah, let's stop in a minute. I'm freezing. I don't want cold soda. Well that sucks. Hey, Trajan Pro. Trajan Pro. The font, Trajan Pro.
I wonder why you...
Okay, well,
Well, that was a fun class trip.
that was uneventful. Back in the bus